pearl red, maroon, sky blue, na wigo na green. Obutambe bwe mabwatiriga nigo bokorengana amo nukuganya gwe customer. Mbabwate bintu bindi bwigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika kinga gicho gwakeranya mabwatiriga ase nyumba yao. Tutari rero ase MRM showroom. Onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na wigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango. Edukenyega ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyo muchuligo busongo iyo erange neduka ya Safaricom. Wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere ange nebengi ya Credit Bank. Asamange bakere simigwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Chinsa ni nyachia bono maragaba mwanchwa humo ligerali Ekeonga Chinsa nyasenjira wekranu chani gongoro ku Haron Ototo nyangiri utokubwata na kwanza memenyelio nigakorwa Wilson Makoli na Ekeonga Chinsa nya nigotogochaka kurwa ase ensemo ya Kiango yogotoka ime ye wodi ya Bakimonge ebunge ya machago barabu ase umumsie we wodi yumuske Dr. Amos Onderi nyakabaga kuboli bolendi gotinga Chinsa mecho na namana kubwata kana amo no goitwa ko murundi ya pigi lituko oligoro ase Chinsa mecho niganyaka wakuru gatiro gatindi ko bodi kochia ase balia bakubwaterane gwa amo nebikore byobosalia elie ese aboldie abanyanyimbo kubeka obolendi nabo igo bali bakotoka na macho kumukali gwa egetambukero egetindi kielichiko
nara pada mambiga insecurity yake kwa baba ashikuka maambi aranga mumuro ya mbo itwe pale ya pale ili akabere lao mchanga watu mwenye wewe ndio wapi ila bale nonziga abale bakretiga itwe kuna barayi tayitemba buriye abantu bamwindira itangani mu bikambo bijyana nondo kali bakora ngate tukaenda nyisi yabo babakuru tariga lakini wakonga babo bose constituency ya matoka kono ayamanya matukao na batende kete na yako ya to butaka busumwa abantu bande omurembo bedi abantu babayindiri kwa bampiro tayi and therefore I think tunango wega part of the discussion singo para no more salkao no more no more cities no more cities about that matter so that if we need to have a police force here to we go to a police force here ye to mosa están apoyando abantu baito abantu bago ito police force no te kike so that those people must be accountable ese kama utulivu yetari kwa asa police force tena tugatanga ile mali tunapeleka mwengoba tukaweke police force tutoe police force tutoa wasali na abantu baito ndio ekinyumba tukubaliana
Mwancho muligereri tukulia kanerero ni go wakili Filemoni Peyami agendereria miroberi yaye yogosira na gusegeta oborwari noboringori bwa maiso ase ebunge ya West Mugirango ekaunti ya Nyamira buna gutuma mulikito Fatikari Gisemba.
Ebirengo by'obutaka ase emichie emenge negati ya biria bikwirira abantu abange gutaezokia na korengwa omuchando bwa maiso abo ase omubaro omonene bw'abantu abo ngochakera emyaka 50 gochia igoro
buna tuwaetire ase rituko ria kanerero eki abanyagitari batebire nkeringa abantu bare age over 50 80% igo babwate obokong'u bw'ebirore babwenete koewa obotaka mpororo egekogera nabo okonyora abande barwarete mono bakoenda nyagitari batebiwa ng'a ebirore 15,000 20,000 bono rende omonto omenya yani noborwaire obo kwanyora ng'a nonya ekanisa abantu baichire over 40% mbaikonyara gosoma ebuku lakini taiyo ogwanja ase eng'encho ya obotaka boria ng'a naende ebirore na okorwari bwa maiso igokoreri igoro ria igoro.
Gukwanira igoro y'oborendi bwa maiso nigo ogokurerwa kwagendereire kubekwa gochase kera oyomo kwenekia buna inkwetangare korwase biria birarete omuchando bwa maiso
igo bono lakini twarora ebinto ebinge bigokogera abantu baito barwara amaiso naende bono buna bono Nyamira bapimirwe banyoa Nyamira gaiga ereti abantu basarekete amaiso ere igoro ase togotumeka chinko amarioki aria asarire amaiso ase eng'encho abana baito aba abake bagotumeka chimakeup twarorire chikemiko chiria bakweyaka ase ebioga iga nabiro biabeire bikoreta obokong'u ase amaiso igo nogotebia abaibori barende abana babo chikemiko echi bakweyaka bikweyaka chikemiko echio erinde naria baranyare korenda amaiso abo kiga twarora ereti egocha koba emiaka 10 ochia motwe gocha konyora tore abanto abange basaregete amaiso namba 2 ekero togoteba abanto bachekiwe amaiso ntomineti abanto baria boka barwarete amaiso abanto mbare ogwepima kwarenge maiso ataransa gokoroma gwateba naye mbuya ore igo togoteba egento eke kerarangeriwa naende eye screening ekero erakorwa again abanto bonsi bechitokese omae gose nobwate obokong'u bwa amaiso gose tobwati.
Ayaiga nigo akwanirwe rero ekero kiomoroberio gwokobwenia amaiso ase kenyoro kia mbere ime ye wodi ya Bogichora na boigo Nyagachi ime ye wodi ya Busamaro omoroberio oyo iga osoire rituko ria kanerero ime ye bunge ya West Mugirango aiga omoske Filemoni Morara apiemi oyore nerang'o yobo seneta bwa Nyamira nigo aira chinga kiechio na gweyakera ekoko ase ensemo ya gesiasa.
2027 ninte neina ase ekero kia oboseneta naende buna naragambire na abananchi aiga omoseneta oyo ororo otangasire ngochi koboria are ekero kia obogavana iga ekero geke buna agosuka na inche nesokire na abande besokiri egere toche tokirwanerere naende ekero geke igo ngokirwanerera ase okora naki torarosie ekaunti eye yaito toyerusie asere toebeke toyeikie ase chikaunti chiire na chiro chire.
Omweri oye nigo Douglas Orutwa onkeo oyonere orokirie obote bobo MCA bwa Bogichora nigo abasigete baria batarabwata ebibande kubibwata buna enchira eyemo yokweyarigania bosio bwobochori obonene
ntoyo twake chikura ya 2027 lakini chikura tokonyara gochora murai muya no tobwate ekebande igo togende togokoria togende togoteba abanto baito ekebande na egento ekia is a basic thing ntokonyara gochora abarai na omonwa igo bari motarabwate ebibande kindly aba bakore school abana baito mbache bakore form 4s tiga tobwate ebibande
igo onye gwatugutire ID card gose kwabwate erie kora old generation igo ogochenchia egera nario orachibwancherwa wagechikora
Inkoripotera Getembe korwa Nyagachi eyegotoka emeye wodi ya Busamaro ebunge ya West Mugirango kaunti ya Nyamira Fatikari Gisemba.
na mwancho muligererie kiombe kia ba bishop usaba sasiroti bane be kanisa Catholic bakura wamo no murayobo Philip Nyoro nigoli tukulia lero banyaka bagukwanira ganto kane kwa sense ya Kenya atwanya bagukwanira amange ali agenda tekuna umwananchi Botambe kubwa mono na boiga bakwanira igoro yesira enene serikali ebwate gochia ase ekiganja kelikia NHIF kelike korokie kibobwani kia NHIF kunyuma etaranganya gochia ase omurobelio yomuya osha.
Our hospitals are owed huge sums of money in billions of shillings under NHIF. We were promised when they were doing the transition from NHIF to SHA that the government would work out modalities of paying out these dues to our hospitals. What we want to affirm is this. Our hospitals, whether they are owed by NHIF or SHA, the suppliers are waiting for their money. We need medical supplies. We need to pay the staff. Our hospitals are running on debt, in deep debt, because of these huge arrears owed our institutions. First, under NHIF, we must insist, lest the government forgets, the money owed to our institutions under NHIF are huge sums of money. This money is crippling our hospitals and our institutions of health. The government needs to move with speed and not to close its eye to this reality about the effect the arrears owed to our hospitals under NHIF is doing damage to our hospitals. It is a very serious matter. Our hospitals are in dire need. Now we're beginning to accumulate again other arrears with the SHA system. We pray this doesn't go again the way of NHIF, but we are owed money running into billions of shillings, and we ask the government to move with speed to have this matter addressed expeditiously.
We realize that the number of voter registration is still low. We encourage the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC, to increase the number of registration stations even in the remote areas. 8, breaking the chains of corruption. Reports from the Auditor General and other oversight bodies confirm that corruption is deeply embedded in government systems, crippling service delivery and undermining national growth.
Na mwanchwa ligereri kurwa se Chinsa mo chia musobeti bunge ya West Mugirango County ya Nyamira egati ya bonchiriye niko beso kiri tukulia lero na kwa rabna ningo babiri bakwibirwa sama tukabwango gesa banyaka bakubolia banyaka bakokonywa banakalwa oborendi ase echireyo munagotuma ulike tofati kari Gisemba.
Umusae oyomo asereta Gideon Manani oyeboigore umonjoreria ase chiro ya musobeti nigo agendrete kubara asara enene maiga yeduka yaye yechianga naboigo kisimi kobunwa n'abantu batamanyikaneti obotuko bugokera Jumaine ye wiki eye.
Soma leta ngoro Gideon Manani jeno mukase musobeti na ndi no mufanyi biashara. So lituko botuko bwa Jumatatu bugokera Jumaine aba ibi nabo bacha seduka yane bakabuna bakaiba chianga kitari kibeta kinge alafu bakaenda neduka ende ya kabere bakabuna bakaibe simyare ngoye ono asara nanyorere guru asiduke kibere igerera furi shilingi 200
ono yento nare gosaba ono mwana ocha bwerwanereire buna tomo manyete otemire goeta no mwana umwibori asirete agamutiga lakini ochira masoba ya singe njoko takayoko bwatrana o mwana mbori nando chire okorire ibarua onyolire stoki omobekero masoba ya obwebeko manyana bwebekeire lakini o mwana mbori nga oibeirwe
kubatikana negekorwa eke nigo abamenyi ba masobeti bagendreire gukwanira ebikorwa bya bwangoiga byokuburwa kuburendi ase chiro egyo
na base poda na nento abatogo sirichi pigipigi sana masobetia togo fami ugosangie customer oche sengenjo yege sunte turikomorano aneki ni ogokoira gochimotwa endo koure pigipigi chinyomba chiabere chigo tagoruga sana iro kabone chiro maegari motuga bachete gocha motwara lakini bono bale naende bale chiro maega babere bakoumia sana
aiga ebairire engakeye na kumuburia umubunge o West Mugirango Muske Steven Mugaka koimukia egetambukero kya bwango ase okwenekia buna oburendi ngoting'igwa bure ase chiro eyeiga
bwatekana no street rights ntobwati na oburendi ase chiro yeite ya musobeti mbuyo twari gusaba batobegere street rights na ndone no kobwa abang'anyi none office ye chief ne police station yeri nyagachi gocha musobeti gaiga egere nyare guturendera ebiasara bye
ire nyuma tutaraikera mang'ana ndi echipara na nini asense ya security ero tigara atwakikisera atobekere police station igaiga abagambimba nyumba kuminera abuno oyo nyumba kumya kora toratwara security isainegera abantu ronya nabageni bali batete ku invest musobeti
oburendi nero eng'ana enene abamenyi b'enseme ya musobeti babaire bakoboria omubunge o West Mugirango anyare kubaga kubaenekeria asekeria batebire niga obwibi bwabaire bokomentekana mono anena asa matuko abwangoiga hingo reporter Getembe koroiga ase chiro ya musobeti yegotoka eward ya Busamaro ebunge ya West Mugirango county ya Nyamira Njefatigad Gesemba
na umonjo murigerere tokera na sobo chorio boke burobiri gochikoreka omotienyi gochitarike 25 chimutienyi oiga kurwaze bunge ya Kasipul nigo umurane bwekiama kia ODM Moske Boyd were asokirina kwemurungania egakore asaba nyanyimbo banyatuka bagusagana enga yaye na kubwatuka chimbunde egentagote kiabete gyokogosa muno gochiasia mate yaye na boigo na bwatani bae.
So now after the meeting, while I was heading home, when reaching the gate, I had a lot of gunshots. I saw police officers running left and right, armed. They are carrying pistols already on their hands. So I was surprised when what was happening. Now we headed inside where I saw the DCI officer, a whole senior DCI officer, the DCI of Rachuno South, with a firearm. Shooting. Now, we tried to inquire what was wrong. He indicated that they were looking for someone here. But my question is, the DCI, they have the resources, they have the machinery. If they were unsure of the person they wanted, if he was in our compound, it was simple. They would just inform us, give us a notice. No. We will allow them to search. Because at the end of the day, they came, fired gunshots all over. There were women in the compound. The residents were there. It brought tension at the end of the day. They didn't arrest anyone because the person they were looking for was not here. So does it mean that the DCI are incompetent? Because they have the machinery. They're able to locate where the suspect is. They brought commotion, a lot of tension. Residents were not happy. The same, our former member of parliament was killed through political assassination. How will the residents feel when they hear gunshots at the same compound of the member of parliament? It's so unfortunate. People are being hacked in town in broad daylight. One person was hacked by the name Jim. He reported to the police. He mentioned the people who did it because they did it in broad daylight. Nothing has been done. All we are seeing is theatre.
Na mwancho muligereri gokorera korwa ase Chinsa moja ukambana na mono county ya Kitui omorai bwense omoski William Samuel Ruto nigagendrete ni taro ya magendera Chinsa mecho ase boigo agendete kuboria kogesegetwa ilikwana kalia bakanya magendero okwana chinga kicho nigaondarekana komochia abamereri be serikali esogota na tebwa timero beldinde onsi yogokonya na gosira abakenya.
Kama hujafanya kitu chochote wachana na raia. Ama namna gani? Ama mnasemaje? Hawa majamaa, unajua hawa majamaa mimi nashindana na wao. Mmesikia mambo yao? Mambo yao ni matatu. One term, Kasongo, must go. Sasa mimi nataka niwaulize. Hiyo ndio siasa yao inaishia hapo. Inaanza kwa ukabila, inaenda kwa matusi, inafikia kwa kupingana. Sasa leo wanapinga housing, wanapinga soko, wanapinga model ya elimu, wanapinga SHA, wanapinga kila kitu. Sasa mimi nataka niwaulize, na sio ati wanapinga kwa sababu wako na maoni ama agenda ama wao, they have no plan. Hawana maoni tofauti, agenda hawana, sera hawana, mpango hawana, hata akili. Oh, kumbe mnawajua. Oh, mnawajua. Ati sera na mpango na agenda na plan na akili. Salale. Sasa kama mambo yao ni hiyo, ati ndio wanataka ati wanataka kuongoza, utaongoza Kenya namna gani kama huna chochote? You don't have any plan. Ati kazi yao kubwa wanataka kuja kusema tunapinga housing, tunapinga SHA, tunapinga funding model, tunapinga transformation, mnapinga kila kitu. Watu ya kuendesha serikali ni watu ya maono ama watu ya kupinga? Si mtu wako na maono? So mimi nataka niwaambie hawa marafiki, tuko na vikundi viwili tashindana kwa hii uchaguzi. Team forward na team backward. Si ndio? Ama namna gani? Nyinyi mko kwa timu gani? Mko na kwa timu gani? Ile ya kwenda mbele na maendeleo na stima na soko na elimu na maji. Hebu nione wala wanasema tunaenda. Kwa hivyo watu wa Kamwongo mnasemaje? Ati watu wa Kamwongo mnasemaje? Ati Kamwongo mnasemaje? Na Mwingi
na mwanjo mulige wikira na tukolera mangana ma Ekeonga Chinsa Inye hema ngoroba ya lero cheni gongoro kwa ni Ototo Nyangiri kudwa nseme menyelelio niga kwa Wilson Makoli kuna nsema ya transmission niga kwa DJ Atsan wa Kevin Ongeri gende gutwara bulilo ya Getembe TV Ekeonga kya mugusi na boigo hotwale habo tukobya
Baraka ninjo, ninjo Getembe, ninjo dorome, ninjo mangana mazi, ninjo bangina ninjo.
Aye, mwita keminyo tagana muhimu kaigo. Ayabo nonyoraga keiga kukwanyora, akuna kukwakora. Usoni kwanda gukora gasi geteiga, ari se kwayo sikikwaye kitari ona endelea koirana. Kubwa obyo mesurumbu ikaranza tari atana gukora kende pi. Abali igo bono kidote nga mwita keminyo tagana muhimu kaigo tata kikwara nyora geke. Kibwatere koboko kai. Ikikwara nyora geke. Ikikara kibwatera koboko remerere ni bintu bwate isaneka nainde kona tema gukora bike iriyegere biroza nawo konya byabere bingi muita keminyo amini ndotanga muita keminyo tanga mwimu kaigorende
Baraka ninjo ninjo Getembe ninjo dorome ninjo mangana mazi ninjo bangina ninjo.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi meyenseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu biria bikomanya seyeka ngokwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati bwekarigori iriya bantabatinu buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye gwochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use hasomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo busongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngutuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakire simu gwetera aseti namba chabo 0111161500 Oru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.